Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video we are going to check everything about dictionaries. So let's start by defining a new dictionary. I'll define it as my dict, which is equal to, okay, you have to use brackets. The format of dictionaries is key and values, so we have to define a key at first, and after that you have to define your value. So here I wanted to define a key. For example, let's talk about cars. The brand, for example, at first. Then you have to use columns, and here you have to use Ford, for example. And after that, the model. Oh, Jesus. Columns here, Branco. And after that, I wanted to define the year. For example, 1990. So let's print our dictionary, and after that print the type of it. Type my dict, and as you can see that it returns our dictionary, and after that it writes the class dict, which means our data is a dictionary. So what if we have duplicate data inside our dictionary? For example, for year I define another, for example 2020, and when you run it you can see that it returns the last time that your key repeated inside your dictionary, so the year, and after that the value, which is it looks like that you're updating the value of year, so it returns at 2020. Or for example, you want to have a list of values for some of your keys. For example, for year I wanted to write 1990, 2020, or for example 2023. So when you run it you can see that, okay, you can define a list as your value inside your dictionary. So what if you want to change something inside your dictionary or add something to your dictionary? There are two main ways for it. The first one is write your dictionary name, after that use the square brackets, and the key that you wanted to change it. For example, I wanted to change the year to, for example, 1980, yeah. And after that, let's print our dictionary again. You can see that, okay, the year changed to 1980. Instead of this list, we have 1980. The second way is that use the update method, which you have to write your dictionary name again, dot update. And inside this parentheses, you have to use the brackets again. In the brackets, it's like dictionaries, and you have to write the key and value. So here, for example, I want to change the model to Mustang. And let's print it, my dict. So we can see that, okay, brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1980. With this method you can add new data to your dictionary. Let's try it here. My dict, for example, you want to add color to it, okay? Red equals to yellow, for example. Oh, I mean color. I write red. Color. And as you can see that, okay, it adds color at the end of your dictionary. Okay, what if we want our key and values separately from each other? It is simple. For example, consider x equal to your dictionary name dot keys, which returns you the key of your dictionaries, and also you can use y to gain your dictionary name dot values. So let's print both of them, x and print y. Okay, as you can see that it writes dict keys, brand, model, year, color, and also the values for the Mustang 1980 and yellow. And what if you want to check there is a specific key inside your dictionary or not? Simply you can use conditions, like if For example, I don't know, brand in my dict. If it is, let's print here just yes, simply. Okay, because we defined the brand with the uppercase B. As you can see, okay, it returns yes, because the brand is inside our dictionary, but as you could see that with lowercase b, it returns nothing because the lowercase brand with b is not inside our dictionary. What about removing things from our dictionary? We discussed about adding things to our dictionary, but how about remove arguments from our dictionary? It is really simple. You have to write your dictionary name dot pop, which we had it to lists, and here, for example, you wanna delete, I don't know, color from your dictionary, and let's print it. It deletes both key and values. So the last time that we had dictionary is here, which we add the, I don't know, after that we add color to it here. And when we run it, you can see that the color is omitted, deleted from our dictionary. Also, there is another way, which is my dict, dot pop item, which deletes the last thing inside your dictionary, and it doesn't get anything as input. So when I run it, okay, the color is not here because we deleted it previously. As you can see, the year is deleted too. So just let me run them again so we can have them. Also, there is another way to delete things from your dictionary. Let's comment it, and after that we have to use del, which is a short of delete, as you know, then my dict, and here the things that you want to be deleted, for example, brand. Let's print. We can see that the brand, which is here, is deleted from our dictionary, but all other things are here. Let's again run it so we can have all the things inside our dictionary. And if you use the, let's just comment it again, del with your dictionary name without anything else, you can see that it completely deletes your dictionary, and the error is because of that we ask it to print our dictionary here. So let's define it again because we're gonna use them, we need them. Okay, and after all these, let's use loops. For example, for key value in your my dict dot, okay, dot items returns all the key and values with each other. So at first let's print key, and after that value. Let's see what it returns. Okay, it returns brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1980, and color yellow. How about copy a dictionary? It is really simple. You can just write, for example, new dict is equal to my dict dot copy. So if we print new dict, you can see that it prints the copy of our dictionary here. Let's add the new cell. Also, we can put dictionaries inside dictionaries, which is the nested dictionaries. So let's just say new dict 1 is equal to a dictionary. Okay, for example, person 1. Find it like that. Okay, new dictionary. For example, we wanna add age. For example, 24 years old. About I don't know. For example, it's weight 120 kilograms. And for person 2, and its age, for example, 27, his weight, oh Jesus Christ, weight is equal to, for example, 78. And the last person 3, colons, age 29, and weight 100. So you can see that it is still dictionary. Let's print it, new dict1, and as you can see that, okay, it returns all the person's data, their age and their weights. But what if, for example, you wanted to reach the second person weight? What should we do? After your dictionary name, you have to use square brackets, right? For example, I want it from the second person, and after that again square brackets, and here, for example, you wanted the weight, so you have to write a weight, and when you run it, you can see that it returns 78, which is the second person's weight. How about loops for nested dictionaries? It is really simple. For x and y in new dict1 dot items. Okay, the x is the keys of the first layer of our dictionary, which are for person 1, person 2, and person 3. So let's print them. And the y is inner dictionaries. So we can say for I in y, which are these dictionaries, print I for us. So you can see that it returns person 1, age, weight to the end. But what if we wanted the key and values? But because here just returns us the keys, so for the inner dictionary we have to write y dot items, so we can see that the key and values which with each other, age 24, weight 120 to the end. Simply you can access your key and values for your dictionaries by loops. Let me see. Yeah, I defined it here, but separately. For x in my dict dot keys, Jesus Christ, print us the x. As you can see, it returns all the keys and their values. Let's here just try it. You can see that it returns the values of our dictionary here, which is Ford, Mustang, 1980 yellow. You can see that they are here. And at the end, let's check all the methods. Some of them we try them. For example, my dict dot copy, which copies our dictionary. My dict dot item. Oh, yeah, update is 2, but let's at first write items. After that, dot update, which we use to add things to our dictionary, and items to get the key and values. After that, my dict dot pop to delete something from our dictionary. My dict dot pop item to delete the last thing inside our dictionary. After that, my dict dot keys, and my dict dot values, menus. Oh, here because of this. Yeah. Also, there are other methods for your dictionaries, like for example, my dict dot get, which you have to write a key inside it. For example, brand, and it will returns you the value of this key. This one is a method that you can define new dictionaries with it. Add it here. Let's add it here. Okay, for example, you have some keys. equal to, for example, key 1, key node 2, and key node 3. And also, for example, you have a value. You want all of them to have the same value at the first. For example, y value equals to 0. So you have to define a dictionary name. For example, I write it dict with 2t equals to dict dot from keys. Okay, the first element here must be your keys, and after that you have to write your value, and let's print our dict. So you can see that it gives all of our keys the value 0. It is really helpful, especially when you want to add new things and count it each time that, for example, it occurs inside something. So simply you can do it. Last method, for example, you want to add something to your dictionary. We add it, we write our dictionary name. After that we have to write set default. Now write a key, for example, car, and we have to write, for example, yes. So let's print our dictionary. And as you can see, it adds car, yes. But if you have the key inside your dictionary already, it won't change anything. Set default won't change anything, and it won't change the value of that key, and it just works when you don't have this key inside your dictionary. Thank you to watch my video. Don't forget to press the like button and leave me a comment so I can produce better and better videos for you. And also don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you.